There are a few key things you need to understand before buying a Toyota hybrid, and it goes beyond just better fuel economy. While Toyota has been building hybrids longer than most, ownership comes with unique characteristics that aren't always explained up front. At first, it may seem like a simple upgrade from a gasoline vehicle, but there are certain behaviors and expectations that can catch you off guard if you're not prepared. The biggest difference is how the system works. Toyota uses hybrid synergy drive, which seamlessly blends gasoline and electric power without any input from the driver. There's no traditional transmission, no clutch, and no distinct gear shifts. Instead, an electric motor handles low speeds, the gasoline engine takes over during cruising, and both combine during acceleration. The car constantly chooses the most efficient power source on its own. That difference in operation is what defines the entire ownership experience of a Toyota hybrid. One of the most important things you need to understand about owning a Toyota hybrid is how the high-voltage battery is designed. Contrary to what many people assume, these batteries are not built for maximum electric range like a full EV. Instead, Toyota engineers them for long-term durability and consistent performance over time. In real-world conditions, a Toyota hybrid battery is typically expected to last anywhere between 8 to 15 years with proper maintenance. In many cases, that translates to well over 250,000 miles when converted into distance. This longevity comes from the fact that the battery is smaller and operates under less stress compared to what you would find in a fully electric vehicle. Another key detail that often gets overlooked is the warranty coverage. Depending on where you live, Toyota provides a strong manufacturer-backed warranty on hybrid-related components. In many regions, this coverage can extend up to around 10 years on the electrified powertrain, offering a level of reassurance that most buyers don't initially realize they have. This combination of conservative battery design and long warranty support is a major reason why Toyota hybrids have built such a strong reputation for long-term ownership. Now, there is a side of Toyota hybrid ownership that isn't talked about as much, and that's how sensitive the system can be to temperature. It's something that can catch you off guard if you're not expecting it, because the electrified powertrain doesn't always perform the same way in every environment. Like most hybrid systems, Toyota hybrids respond differently depending on external conditions. In very cold weather, especially around negative temperatures, battery efficiency naturally drops. On the other hand, in extremely hot conditions, higher temperatures can increase stress and wear on the hybrid battery over time. This doesn't mean something is wrong, it's simply how the system behaves. The ideal operating temperature for a Toyota hybrid sits around 25 degrees Celsius. When conditions move too far below or above that range, you'll start to notice changes in fuel efficiency. In colder weather, for example, the gasoline engine will run more frequently to help heat the cabin and maintain proper battery conditions. As a result, fuel economy takes a noticeable hit. This is where many owners begin to question whether something is wrong with their vehicle, especially during seasonal changes. But in reality, this behavior is completely normal. It doesn't indicate a failure or any issue with the hybrid system. It simply means the vehicle is adjusting to protect itself and maintain proper operation, even if that comes at the cost of reduced efficiency. When it comes to where a Toyota hybrid truly delivers its biggest advantage, it's not on the highway, it's in everyday city driving. This is where the system is designed to perform at its best, and where you'll see the most noticeable real-world savings. In stop-and-go traffic, short trips, and urban commuting, the hybrid system constantly shifts into electric operation at low speeds, reducing fuel consumption in situations where a traditional gasoline engine would normally be least efficient. One of the key features that makes this possible is regenerative braking, which captures energy every time you slow down or press the brake pedal and sends it back into the battery. This means that instead of wasting energy as heat like a normal vehicle, your Toyota hybrid is continuously recovering and reusing it. Over time, especially in heavy traffic conditions, this adds up to a significant improvement in overall efficiency. Highway driving is still efficient and often better than a comparable gasoline-only vehicle from Toyota, but the difference isn't as dramatic. At steady speeds, the gasoline engine does most of the work, so the hybrid advantage becomes less pronounced. This is why Toyota hybrids are especially effective for drivers who spend most of their time in city environments. The system is built to turn traffic and frequent stopping into an advantage rather than a drawback. Now, while Toyota hybrids are built for efficiency and long-term durability, that focus also directly influences how they feel on the road. And this is where the experience may not suit everyone. If you're coming from a traditional gasoline vehicle, it's something you'll notice almost immediately. Because the system is designed to prioritize smoothness and efficiency, the driving feel is very different. There are no distinct gear shifts, no sharp transitions in power delivery, and acceleration comes in a smooth, continuous manner rather than in steps. For many drivers, this feels refined, quiet, and comfortable, but for others, especially those who enjoy a more engaging or responsive driving experience, it can feel less connected. The engine sound can also seem unusual at times, particularly during acceleration, because it doesn't always match the way the car is building speed. That's simply a result of how the hybrid system manages power, and it's completely normal. But it can take some getting used to. That said, Toyota does offer more performance-focused hybrid systems for drivers who want more power and responsiveness. Options like the Hybrid Max and iForce Max powertrains are designed to deliver stronger acceleration and a more dynamic feel. You'll find these in vehicles like the Toyota Crown Platinum and the Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid Max, as well as in certain truck applications. Those setups bring a noticeable increase in horsepower and overall performance, especially when compared to standard hybrid systems. Plug-in hybrid models also tend to offer stronger performance due to their added electric power. But in general, most Toyota hybrids are not built with aggressive performance in mind. They are designed to deliver a smooth, quiet, and efficient ride that's easy to live with on a daily basis. And ultimately, that difference in driving feel isn't a downside. It simply comes down to what you expect from your vehicle. When it comes to maintenance and long-term ownership costs, this is another area where Toyota hybrids tend to surprise people. Many assume that because the system is more advanced, it must be more expensive to maintain. But in reality, the scheduled maintenance for a Toyota hybrid is extremely similar, if not nearly identical, to a regular gasoline vehicle from Toyota. In some cases, there's actually less to worry about. Thanks to regenerative braking, brake components last longer, which reduces how often you need replacements. The hybrid system also eliminates certain traditional parts, meaning fewer components that can wear out over time. When you combine that with Toyota's proven reliability, overall ownership costs tend to be lower than many people expect. That said, Toyota hybrids are not the perfect choice for everyone. If you live in extremely cold climates and only take very short trips, the system may not operate as efficiently as intended. In those conditions, the gasoline engine will run more often, which reduces the benefit of having a hybrid in the first place. If you're looking for a highly sporty driving experience, a standard hybrid may also not fully meet your expectations unless you specifically choose a more performance-oriented setup. And when it comes to towing, you have to be very specific about the type of hybrid system you're choosing. Some, like the iForce Max, can handle serious towing demands, but others are not designed for heavy loads. Ultimately, Toyota didn't build hybrids for hype. They built them for durability, efficiency, and long-term ownership. And as long as you understand how they work, what they're designed for, and what to expect from them, they can be one of the most dependable choices you can make. Hopefully, this gave you a clearer picture of what owning a Toyota hybrid really involves.